it's your girl Morgan Sinclair, and I'm back again for another video. Happy holidays. This time I'm giving you my Christmas lip lookbook that you can wear all Christmas long. And guess what? We're using Ruby Woo, and that's it. So I'm gonna show you how to get this look in 1, 2, 3 easy steps. I think we did good. Ruby Woo. I'm using the Ruby Woo lip pencil from MAC. I'm just gonna line my lips, and that's just a basic red lip everyone can use. Ruby Woo is my favorite lipstick of all time, and it looks so great on all shades. I love it. So cute. Next, we're using Chestnut by MAC. This lip liner is just a dark brown, and it's just gives the Ruby Woo a different color, a different texture, and just a different look. Honestly, I love pairing this lip pencil with this lip shade. It's good for a daytime and a nighttime look. My lips are just so kissable. We're using the shade Plum by Smashbox. This lip pencil is one of a mechanical pencil. I really like it. I mean, purple to me goes with everyone, but being able to combine Ruby Woo with this purple lip gives me a great nighttime look and also gives some character to my lips. Look at that smile, guys. Like, honestly, this is my favorite holiday look, and you can't go wrong with it. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Love you lots. Bye.